Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my experience at Silangang Nayon Resorts and Restaurant in Pagbilao, Quezon. This place is a hidden gem, and I'm sure you'll love it just as much as I do. The resort has a lot of amenities, including a swimming pool, cottages, and rooms.
Good morning po. Welcome po sa Silangang Nayon.
Silangang Nayon Resorts is located in Pagbilao, Quezon, and it's about 3 hours away from Manila. The resort is surrounded by lush greenery and offers stunning views of the sea. Let's take a tour of the resort and see what it has to offer. Also available rooms for couple, family, or groups. Silangang Nayon Restaurant is known for its delicious seafood and Filipino-Chinese dishes. The food here is amazing. The seafood is fresh, and the dishes are all delicious. I highly recommend trying their signature dishes, such as the grilled tilapia and the sinigang. Also, please hope you guys like it, my created music song album na Bagay sa View Dito.
Sa puso't damdamin, ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Sa pag-ibig na walang hanggan, tayong dalawa'y magkasama. Ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin. Ang ating pagsasama'y walang hanggan. Ang pag-ibig natin ay tunay, sa bawat araw lalong tumitibay. Sa yakap mo'y napayapaan, sa mga ngiti mo'y walang kasing tamis. Sa bawat sandali nadarama ang pag-ibig na walang katapusan. Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ang ating pagsasama'y walang hanggan. Ang pag-ibig natin ay tunay, sa bawat araw lalong tumitibay. Kapag kasama ka, mundo'y maganda. Walang ibang gugustuhin kundi ikaw. Sa piling mo, lahat ay magiging maayos. Ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin. Walang magbabago. Ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin. Ang ating pagsasama'y walang hanggan. Ang pag-ibig natin ay tunay, sa bawat araw lalong tumitibay. Ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin. Ang ating pagsasama'y walang hanggan. Sa puso ko, ikaw lang ang mahal. Ako'y sa'yo at ikaw ay akin. Walang iwanan.
That's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my experience at Silangang Nayon Resorts and Restaurant in Pagbilao, Quezon. If you're looking for a relaxing getaway or a fun-filled adventure, this place is definitely worth checking out. Book now.